Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 162. If we start with this row, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. If we look at this box, we're missing 5 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 5, 9, 5, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 covering these two boxes, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. And that means that our 3 has to be here. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. For this box, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 9. No help here, 6, 8, 9. 9 here, so 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. And we've got the 6 here, so 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this row now, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got the 8 here, so 1, 4, 1 here, so 1 and 4. So this is our 8. That 4 makes this our 1, 4. That 8 makes this our 6, 9, 8. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. That 9 makes this our 1. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 3 covering here and a 3 covering here, so our 3 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 5, 9, 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 5. But I don't see any other help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. But that 5 makes this our 9, 5. For this column, we're missing 1 and 5. I don't see any help, so 1, 5, 1, 5. For this box, we're missing a 7. For this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 5, 5 here, so 4, 9, 4 here, so 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 5. That makes this our 4, 8. That 4 makes this our 9, 5. That 5 makes this our 9, 5. That 5 makes this our 1, 5. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 6, 2, and that makes this our 6. For this bottom row now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. To finish out this box, we're missing 2 and 9. And there is a mistake somewhere because we've already got 2 and 9 here. And 2 6s here. Alright, well that will do it for today's puzzle. If you saw where my mistake was, leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.